Hi everyone, I'm using the Canon SL2 with 1/60th of a second, 2.8 and ISO 100 using internal audio, and I'm using the 16 to 35 2.8 lens Mark II. Fortunately, I have this lens that allows me to be, this is about 24 millimeters. 16 is a little bit too wide and 35 is a little bit too close. 35 would be almost like a 50. And my 50 wouldn't work because the distance from this has a flip screen, which is basically where the sensor is, kind of. From there to my face is about 2 feet, and a kind of like a 50 millimeter turns out to be almost like a 75 millimeter lens. It's a little too close. Okay, so this is my second film or video using the SL2, and I'm using the face recognition or tracking of my face. It's the Servo AF. That's what they call it in Canon, and trying to figure out if it looks good. Now, I will probably be seeing, in a different direction a little bit, just because I'm trying to get used to having a flip screen. As you know, if you ever watch Casey Neistat, that's why he has sunglasses, right? And with sunglasses, there's no way you can see my eyes where they are looking at. Alright, so what's the point of this video? Basically, I wanted to see if it sounds good. I won't know until post. I want to know if it's tracking my face. I want to see if there's any noise. There shouldn't be any noise at 100 ISO. Alright, I'll be seeing you soon.